fucking cold out here, boys. I mean, I know I live in Arizona, but 37 degrees. A little too chilly for your boy. Let's take this video inside. Come with me. Well, what do we have here? It appears like this is a package from Palace Skateboards London. And yes, it is, boys. This is my unboxing from my Palace Fall Winter 2024 sale. All three of my cops. We're getting into it. We're going to tear open this bag. I'm going to put on two of the items, and then one of them's for sale. So if you guys enjoy streetwear unboxing content, you like Supreme, you like Palace, you like random stories from Thomas's Hypebeast Pass, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the noti bell so you can stay up to date every single time I post and go live. Also, consider becoming a member. Various perks in the channel like early access to content, exclusive chat and app icons, dope emojis, and giveaway opportunities.
And now a word from our sponsor.
This video is sponsored by Bkieo. Use code SupThomas to save 10% off. Now let's take a quick look at what they sent me.
All right, so here's the package that Bkieo sent me out. And I gotta tell you guys this. I get a couple sponsors reach out to me, ask me to review their products. I'm not always like, yeah, let's do it. But these, I just had to see these in hand for one major reason. I think you guys will see real quick. Let's get this open. So here's the box they come in. These are the Max Plus 24/7 comfort. You know how it is. You gotta be a king in every outfit. Bkieo, you love that. There's the logo. Bkieo.com, code SupThomas. What exactly is it though? What's the difference with the Bkieo underwear? And let me show you. So here they are. You get a little tag, QR code, machine wash with light colors, avoid bleach, lay flat to dry, do not iron. Here we go. So these guys have a little pocket for your package. Yes, boys, these are boxer briefs that allow you to have a little bit more breathable room for all that BDE that I know all you guys have out there. I am going to put these on, try them on, tell you guys how I think they feel. Obviously not going to show you that on camera, but they look like a solid pair of underwear just with a nice little comfort hole. I mean, pretty funny, all things considered, but it makes sense. Like if you like a boxer brief, but you're not a fan of the constriction, the sweatiness, maybe you're doing a lot of athletic abilities that get you all sweated up. And I think with these Bkieos, I'll be feeling nice. They feel very comfortable, very soft material. I went with the size large. You get the nice pouch in the front, and other than that, it just looks like a nice, standard, comfy pair of underwear. So consider copping yourself a pair of Bkieos so you can be a king in every outfit. I'm gonna try one of these on, tell you guys how I think about them, and then we'll get back into the video. All right, boys, so I'm rocking the Bkieos right here. And I'm not gonna lie, at first, it's a little bit strange to have an extra pocket in your underwear, but I would say, if you are a bigger man and you know what I'm saying, and you don't like having constricted space in your underwear, consider checking out Bkieo. But other than that, they're a pretty standard pair of underwear with just a unique feature, that being a front pouch. I appreciate it if anyone goes ahead and checks them out. Link is in the description. Use code SUP10 for 10% off. With all that out of the way, let's get into it. All right, boys, we're doing this Japanese seiza style. That is whenever you sit down on your knees like so. And this is kind of comfy. So we're sitting here in my living room. Let's get into this boy. All right. So here is the order confirmation. It says L on it, even though we didn't take an L. We took some W's. And let's check. There it is, boys. Palace skateboard sticker. All right. The first item up right here is an item that I actually am going to end up trying to sell. I'm trying to sell it right now, and it's the Hairy Knit Camo woodland sweater. So the other two items are for the personal. But yes, look at this bad boy. It is a big sweater. And I believe I put on the Palace Wales sweater, which is pretty much the exact same thing. It's the hairy knit design. This one just being in that woodland camouflage. I think this came out during the fall. But anyway, the sweater, very nice. Very heavy knit. I mean, look at this thing. Looks warm as fuck. I know the Wales hairy knit that I ended up selling and the UK one were pretty good resale items. I figured, like, when I was on the sale, I just wanted to pick up something to make a little bit of bread at a discount. I thought this would do okay. What do you guys think? I'm definitely going to put some pictures of it on Grailed and list it on, you know, all the apps, Poshmark, etc. But if anyone wants to pick it up, it is a size large. Maybe could have grabbed an XL for the bigger sizes. I don't really know too much. I'm not going to put it on just because I've worn this type of sweater before. So go check out one of my previous videos if you want to see a fit. And also, I don't love putting on the items that I'm going to resell, even though I know it's fine. You could probably just put it on once. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't want to, but there it is, up close and personal with the Palace Camo Hairy Knit. Apologies for the lighting. We're doing the best we can, boys. Next up, I'm really excited about these, low-key. And I hope I wear them enough. And if you guys need to bully me into wearing these cool pants, then please do. Because these are the Palace Guard pants. The Guard trousers. The Black Watch. The Night's Watch. But gonna open these up. Looking forward to finally getting my hands on some personal Palace trousers. I'm always talking about getting stuff that you can wear in more formal circumstances. And what's more formal than a bit of Scottish gob then, mate? Look at these cheeky monkeys. Holy shit. We got the Palace Soldier, looking like the damn kid from DreamWorks took up arms against the Queen. Size 32, Palace. Definitely gonna have to throw these on really quick. See how they look. Maybe we should just do that right now. All right, what do you guys think? I don't know how the camera looks right now, but at first I thought, man, these are pretty big. And they are. I definitely had to tighten up the belt just to get them to fit. And maybe it's worth it to see a tailor for these, just because the waist feels pretty big on me. But the fit, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely baggy and they're at my legs. So maybe it's too big. I don't freaking know, guys. Palace's pants, God, they always feel like they're so big. Maybe with a proper set of shoes on, they'd look good. Maybe like my Doc Martens, right? I'll put these guys on right here. I don't know. It's a formal event. What are we thinking? Perhaps? Mayhaps? We're going real freaking experimental with this video, guys. So again, let me know in the comments, are these a proper set of pants, or am I looking like a Bkieo bugger wanker? Let me know. Last item up on the list. Yes, baby, it is the Palace Lumberjack flannel. Been talking about getting more button-ups, been talking about flannels. I feel like at the beginning of every season for Supreme and for Palace. We also got a nice little treat for later. But we finally did it. We finally copped the Lumberjack in the red colorway. I almost grabbed it in yellow, but I feel like red is just a better color for a flannel. It's like the traditional flannel color. I don't know. Let's get it open and see what it's all about. Love how Palace folds their stuff. This one has some cardboard in it, which is a new thing for me. There's the tag. Another size large. You can see the L right there. There's that damn cardboard with a little bit of tissue paper. the Palace looks good. Another little treat for later. Material feels awesome, but here it is, the back of the lumberjack. You can see some light green striping, which is kind of holiday-esque. This would be a good holiday flannel shirt. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'll definitely be wearing this probably in my family's Christmas pictures for 2025. Nothing on the front. I would have liked a small Palace hit. Like, man, that's a mini Triferg would have been cool, but they're keeping it pretty casual. So really nothing fancy on the front. Wow, they even gave you the little plastic button cover that you get on dress shirts. I'm actually excited to throw this on because I know it's gonna fit me better than the pants at least. I'm still a little salty about these, but they do look pretty cool on body. With the Burberry belt too, I don't know, maybe a black belt would be better. Call this outfit the plaid tuxedo. Check this shit out. Yeah, baby. Come on now. What are we thinking, boys? I wouldn't say it's traditionally cool. I wouldn't say it even traditionally matches or quote unquote looks good, but it definitely is what it is. Hopefully you can see the Palace in the back there. If not, I promise you, it's there. Big fan of this flannel and the fit overall. Pants, you know, they're not bad. They could be a lot worse, but I think I am gonna get them tailored, and maybe that's a part 2 to this video or something that I can talk about at a later date. But anyway, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. What was your favorite item that I picked up from the Palace Fall Winter 2024 winter sale? Was it this beautiful red lumberjack flannel? Was it the guard trousers that came in with a nice bit of quality? Or was it this absolutely lovely, beautiful, hairy knit woodland camo sweater? You let me know in the comments down below. This guy is for sale, size large. Hope you guys have a good one. Been your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Peace.